welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this glowy, radiant, luminous Slay Fall. Do we still use Slay? I don't know, I don't care, it doesn't even matter. Anyhow, I thoroughly enjoyed creating this makeup tutorial. Also really excited to be sharing it with you, and I also hope you enjoy watching this video. Please let me know if you've enjoyed this one by giving it a big thumbs up. I don't know what just happened there, like a spark of joy just came into my body and I just had to let it out. Anyhow, let us get straight into this tutorial. So I'm starting off with my Glam Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer, and this is in the shade Nude Glow. I absolutely love this. I spoke about this in my Jan Faves Obsessed. So I'm going to be using my Real Technique setting brush and I'm just going to dip it right in. So I'm going to just apply this to the highest points of my face, so the areas where the light would naturally hit my face. So I'm going to start off by applying this to my cheekbones, and then I'm also taking that into the arch of my brow, doing the same on the side, and also applying a bit say around here onto my nose. Do you see how the light just reflects and bounces off my face, especially on those areas where I've just applied this amazing moisturizer? And now moving on to foundation, I'm going in with the Clarins Everlasting Foundation. So this foundation has an SPF of 15, super ideal to wear a foundation that has an SPF on a daily basis, also really convenient when you're outdoors in the sun. And this foundation is in the shade Hazelnut. And to apply the foundation, I'm going in with my beauty sponge. And before I go in, I just want to dampen my beauty sponge. And to do that, I'm going in with my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water in Serene Greens. So we're just going to spritz that. Okay, so I'm just going to dot the foundation directly from the container. Oh my gosh, that looks so disgusting. It looks like I have like, it looks so yucky. Woo! It looks so disgusting. It looks like I've got measles on my face. Or chicken pox. So now I'm going in with my beauty sponge and I'm going to just apply the foundation, of course. So I'm on the Clarins website and it says here, this foundation will give you a natural looking flawless complexion from morning till night, thanks to a new generation formula. So super ideal once again for everyday basis. You want to wear something that is lightweight and gives you that flawless complexion that we all want. So it also says here, this lightweight medium coverage foundation diminishes spots and imperfection. It stays in place for 18 hours and offers all day comfort to the skin. Once again, we all want a lightweight foundation, something that's going to cover up all of those blemishes, discoloration, you name it, and also something that's going to stay in place all day. Really love the formulation of this foundation. So now moving on to concealer, I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and this is in the shade 30. So the concealer is very lightweight, which makes it really ideal for an everyday basis. I also once again like the applicator for everyday use. It makes it so easy to apply. So just love this concealer. And I really love the yellow undertone of this concealer. It's absolutely beautiful. And let's just apply a bit to the center of my forehead. And now to contour my face, I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and this is in the shade 60. I'm going to blend that in. I'm going in with my Real Techniques contour brush. And now to feather out my edges, I'm going in with my dirty foundation brush, and I just want to feather out the edges. I just find that using my foundation brush works much better to feather out the edges as opposed to using a beauty sponge. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. And now to set my concealer, I'm going in with my RCMA No Color Powder. And I'm just going back in with my Real Techniques setting brush, and I'm just going to lightly dust under my eye area. And then also just on my lids. And then around this area, not too much. And now to highlight my face, I'm going in with the LA Girl Velvet Bronzer Contour Stick. And I'm just going to apply this on that area where we applied the Illuminating Moisturizer. And I really love this stick because it gives you that healthy, natural glow, because it almost melts into your skin, which I really like. And then just applying a bit on the tip of my nose, and then a bit right there, okay? And now I'm using my foundation brush, my dirty foundation brush, and I just want to work this into my skin. And now to double up on my highlighter and just take it to a whole nother level, I'm going in with my Glam Glow highlighter. Absolutely love this highlighter, guys, I'm obsessed. So now I'm going in with my setting brush. Do you guys see how convenient having this brush is? I've used it for so many things already. So now just going over. Woo! Guys, do you see what I mean? Do you see what I'm talking about, my people? And then also just on the tip of the nose, right there. And then over there. And now for blush, I am going in with the Clarins Illuminating Cheek Color in the shade Tawny Pink, and that's what it looks like. The most stunning blush ever. Really beautiful, love it. Add a bit of color to my face. And now to further intensify my contour and also just making sure that I set it, whether you're highlighting or contouring, you want to make sure that you set that cream-based product, because in this case it's going to wear off, so I want to make sure that I ensure that that does not happen. And to do that, I'm going in with my MAC Studio Fix Sculpt and Contour Shape Palette. Love, love, love. And this is in the shade Medium Dark. Love it. So I love using a combination of this shade and this shade, mixing it up together, and then just warming up the face even more. And then lightly grazing my nose with the Access product. And also just bear in mind, I'm using very light motions, light strokes when doing this, because I don't want to wipe off any of that concealer. I'm taking that same product that I used on the cheekbone, and I'm just going to apply this onto my lids. And then also applying a bit to the arch of my brow. And then I'm just going in with this highlighter brush, and I just want to make sure that everything has been applied properly. And then going back into my contour palette, taking this shade right here, and we're placing it on the outer corner, right? And then we're taking it into the crease. Alright. And now for mascara, I'm going in with my current favorite mascara, and this is the Maybelline the Colossal Big Shot mascara. I also spoke about this in my January faves. Guys, I'm obsessed. as you can see, the mascara makes such a huge difference, and I can definitely just leave it as is, but I want to be extra, so I'm definitely going in with a set of falsies, and I'm also going to be doing my brows off camera. So yeah, I'm going to do that, do my brows, do my eyelashes, and then I'll be back. Okay, I'm back, and I'm better thanks to the lashes and the brows. So now I want to go in and I want to finish off my lips, so I'm going in with this lip liner. I bought this from the China Mall, and this has become my go-to lip liner. It's just the perfect shade of nude, and I'm about to apply it, and you guys are about to see what I'm talking about. So I normally apply this onto my entire lips basically. And now going in with my MAC lip gloss, and I'm just going to apply this all over my lips. And then last but not least, I'm going in with my MAC Fix Plus, and this is the Goldlight. And this is going to just make all the glow even more. Before that, I completely forgot. Before I go in with my MAC lip gloss, I just want to go back in with my Glam Glow highlighting kit, and I'm going in with the shade, and I'm going to just pop that in the inner corner. We can't forget the inner corner, you know. This is what makes the boys go crazy. My fiance loves the inner corner highlight, you know what I'm saying? There we go. So now we can go in with this. Okay, not too much. So that concludes it for this a very easy glowy skinned makeup tutorial. As you guys saw, it was very snappy, very quick. Once again, very easy. I also did not use a lot of products, but I ensured that I used the correct products. Also ensuring that I place it in the correct areas. It makes such a huge difference. I'll also be sure to list all of the products in the description box. I really hope you guys have enjoyed watching this one. I certainly enjoyed creating it. Now that I'm popping, glowing, I'm about to head off and have a wonderful, glowful, slayful day. You know what I'm saying? I can't even stop looking at myself. Look at me. I can't even stop looking at myself. Anyhow, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do the right thing and subscribe. Also, while you're at it, make sure you hit that bell notification so you get notified every time I upload a video on my channel. Also, be sure to leave all of your video suggestions in the comment section below, and I will obviously respond to it. Anyhow, I am out, and I shall see you in the next one.